Human error here on the streets of Las Vegas, home of questionable decisions. I'm out here asking people if they ever leave their laptops unattended. Let's say you're at a cafe, you're working on your laptop. You just got to run to the bathroom real quick. Next to you is a very friendly looking person. Would you ask that person to watch your laptop for you?
It depends how good looking they are, yes.
Yeah, I probably would because I'm a bit too lazy to pack it up.
And would you leave your laptop on the table?
Yes. I don't trust these questions.
Do you ever leave your laptop in the car?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, all the time.
Really?
Can I curse?
You're just gonna run into a store real quick, come back, you leave it in the car?
You betcha.
What's the worst that could happen?
It gets stolen.
How would you hide it?
Under the seat, probably.
You just leave it in the back seat?
Yeah, I probably would. I'd probably put some shopping bags or something over it.
Oh, I'd leave it in the trunk.
In the trunk? That's safe.
You know who you remind me of?
Who's that?
You almost look like the cousin to Carrot Top.
Yeah, hey, thank you so much.
Oh, that is funny.